Hello friends, welcome to our Ramjana channel and we hope this video finds you well. Earlier we had reviewed a wristwatch from a famous Swiss brand, Rado. If you have not seen the video yet, do not miss to click the link given in the description. Today we are going to review a watch from another legendary Swiss manufacturer, Longines. This brand is in existence since 1832. Alright, first we have this fat user manual that talks about how to take care of your watch, the service interval, general do's and don'ts, extra in 30 plus languages. Second, you will get this 2 years international warranty card that allows you to service your watch regardless of where you have purchased it. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, this beautiful mahogany wood piano finish box that holds the watch in a nicely done leather finish interior. Now let me get this out for you. Alright, the collection name of this watch is Presence Heritage with their proven L609 caliber. It's an automatic watch with analog display and the hour markers are in Arabic numerals. This glass is made of sapphire crystal so provides great level of scratch resistance compared to its mineral cousin. Case material is of 18 karat rose gold. Case size is 38.6 mm and lug width is 21 mm internally from point to point and the thickness is 10.75 mm. Water resistance is up to 3 bar, just 30 meters. Let us see how it looks at the back. It has got a see-through case back or exhibition case that shows the internal working system. Around this exhibition case you can also see the brand name engraved along with the 3 bar water resistance, gold purity at AU750 where AU is the symbol of gold on the periodic table and the 750 means 75% gold with the rest 25% will be either silver, copper, zinc or platinum for having a solid case. Power reserve stands at 42 hours meaning for every good 25 to 30 windings of the crown it should run for the given specified hours, and being an automatic while you are on the move it should help to extend its power reserve figure. Pros and cons. Good things first. Visibility of the watch face at any time of the day is good due to its bright white dial. Second, it does not have any other feature that share the space of dial except a seconds hand counter at 6 o'clock. So what it means to us is while driving you can have a quick glance to read time with no subsequent look needed. Third, though it's a 38.6 mm case, surprisingly it does not look small and should fit anyone with an average to large wrist size. Last but not the least folks, any top Swiss manufacturer's gold case automatic watch will put you down with its hefty price tag. However, this watch you will buy for sure without a bargain. Cons? Yes. The crown of this watch is so small that you will find it challenging while winding it. It should have been a size or two bigger. Next comes the strap quality. Even in a short time of use, it is sad to see a higher degree creases that will not go off the leather. Okay, I know the big question that is lingering in your mind without any further ado. Maximum retail price of this timepiece is 2,32,600 and after discounts you should be looking somewhere around 1,65,000, which is approximately 2,200 USD in India. For this price, it's a good deal for a gold case Swiss watch from a prominent manufacturer. Next comes the service. It is an automatic from Swiss, so you will spend more money for a regular service compared to a Swiss quartz watch. Approximately 15,000 INR for a general service that includes cleaning, lubrication, adjustments as needed, and polishing. Word of caution people, this obviously excludes the cost of spares plus service charges that are needed during a major service. A tip for someone who is opting to automatic watches from Quartz Movement, you will see plus or minus of 3 to 4 seconds variation per day. This is very normal for an automatic and don't be surprised. As always, if you want to buy, especially the Swiss watches, please do not buy it from a shady online portal, rather approach an authorized shop or their boutique while buying it. It's not worth the risk. Alright folks, thank you for watching Ramjana channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe us for more premium watch reviews.